How to buy XYZ, the XYZVERSE token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, let's go and buy this token. So make sure to take a look on the X account. You have a big community here, as you can see. Now, to be able to buy this token, we can find in CoinMarketCap. So after you find the token in CoinMarketCap, now click on their website and they will redirect you to their official website. Now, from here, you will be able to buy this token. Now, first of all, connect your wallet. For example, you can choose MetaMask. After that, connect your wallet, and as you can see, your wallet is connected. From here, select the crypto that you want to buy with. For example, I want to buy $100 of USDT. Now, after that, click on buy XYZ. And now, as you can see, because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can't proceed to buy process. Now, to be able to fill your account and buy this token, just for example, if you want to go with MetaMask, now before that, go back to CoinMarketCap and make sure to copy the token address. The token address is under the Polygon network. Now go to MetaMask and make sure from here, select the Polygon network. As you can see, select your Polygon network from here. Now click on these three dots, as you can see. Now click on import token. Now click on custom token and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token XYZ, and now click on next and you will be able to import the token to your MetaMask wallet. So after you import the token to your MetaMask wallet, click on it, as you can see here. Now click on buy and sell to buy this token. They will redirect you to their marketplace to buy this token. Now, as you can see, so for a few seconds, so as you can see, this is, you can now buy this token. So enter here how much you want to buy, like 100 USD. Now after that, as you can see, select here the crypto that you want to buy with. For example, I want to choose USDT. Now I will choose the USDT under the Polygon network. Now as you can see, they will show you the providers to buy this USDT. Now after you select for this the ramp, now after you click on it, they will redirect you to their website to complete the buy process or procedure. Now after that, wait a few seconds. And now, as you can see, enter here how much you want to buy with your currency. For example, if you use USD, just so you can find USD. As you can see, I will just click on, as you can see, find your coin from your currency from here. This is how much you will receive, and click on proceed. Now, as you can see, you can log in with the Google or with Google or with Apple Pay or with Apple to be able to buy this crypto to buy this USDT to be able to buy the token. Now after you fill all of the information, just click on proceed to be able to buy the token. Now the other way is buy it with your bank. So after that, click here and select your faster payment. Now click on continue. Now for a few seconds they will refresh this page. I will just select it and click on confirm. Now as you can see, they will refresh this page to provide to show you the providers that you want to can select with. So for example, I will select transact and will click on continue with transact, and now they will redirect you to transact page to be able to complete the buy process. Now wait a few seconds, as you can see from here. Now click on buy now, and now this is the wallet. As you can see, you can buy it, and now after that, enter your email to be able to continue and complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the XYZVERSE token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.